Yeah, Eileen, you're going to make the little trek over here to this beautiful table where we are going to be cooling down with the heat wave, of course, with, how about this, some Sous-Vide Popsicles for Taste Test Tuesday.
I'm ready.
We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. 9:46 on this Taste Test Tuesday. And yes, the blazing summer heat is upon us for the next 5-6 days, right? The next week.
At least.
90s, right. So there's nothing like cooling down with a refreshing frozen treat.
So here this Taste Test Tuesday with a frosty and flavorful treat is Chef Delian DiPietro of Cuisine Solutions, better known as Chef Del.
Just Del. Del is great.
Del.
Just Del. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you for coming in. So I'm really intrigued by this sous vide popsicle. For people at home that don't know, what is sous vide?
So sous vide is cooking without oxygen at precise temperatures for extended periods of time.
Okay.
There's lots of benefits. So texture, it's actually enhanced, flavors are enhanced, and there's a lot of fun things that you can do sous vide you can't do with regular cooking.
Okay.
So this is a really fun technique. So we've got a little water bath set up so that we're going to be doing some circulating, and we're going to walk you through our bourbon caramel popsicle, which is featured in our Sous-Vide Magazine. So this is actually a publication we do in-house, and we really want to encourage people in their houses and homes to do sous vide and kind of experiment, and this is a really great way to check out what other chefs are doing. I mean, we have everything from professional recipes to home-cooked recipes, and you can read about what's going on in the industry and what kind of trends are really happening in the sous vide world.
Love it.
I feel like it's becoming more mainstream a little bit, because like these machines, like how much does something like this cost?
You can buy one for about $50 now. I mean, I've seen them at just local retailers. Amazon is great. They're everywhere now, and it's really cool. So, you know, you can have a lot of fun without trying to go crazy, so to speak.
Is the beach ball adding flavor?
In this case, it's helping to keep it cool for summer.
Oh, cool. I like it.
Festive.
That's
It's a
awesome.
festive.
All right, let's make some popsicles.
Yeah,
Cool.
definitely.
So I've just finished making the caramel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mix, and we're going to actually end up sealing it into a bag. So I've got a pouch already floating.
And this is just regular caramel melted?
So caramel, then we've added cream, a little bit of vanilla, and some bourbon.
Okay.
So, and then what I'm doing is I'm using the sous vide method to pasteurize it and really enhance the flavors.
Okay.
So this is going to kind of be like the adult version of a fudgesicle.
All
Sign me
right.
up.
Yeah,
Love
right?
it.
A little bourbony, a little boozy,
Yeah.
so
Let's do it.
neighbors are none the wiser, right? So I've got a mix already chilled. If you want to give me a hand, we're just going to pour them right into the molds.
Oh,
yeah.
gosh.
Yeah. And what's a lot of fun is, you know, we have flavors, a variety of flavors. So if booze isn't your thing, we've got really fun ones like mango basil. We've got honey lime. And then the peanut butter, this one's actually my favorite.
Yeah, that one sounds awesome.
Yeah, and
Peanut butter caramel or something like that?
yeah,
What does this say?
so this,
Honey peanut butter custard pop. Honey peanut butter.
say that 5
Custard.
times fast.
Yeah, I know. How do you come up with a lot of these kind of flavor concoctions?
So Cuisine Solutions, the company that I work for, is a entire nerd school for chefs.
Okay.
The best way I can describe it is like a grad school, and it's a company of chefs. We're food focused, we're food driven, and literally all the chefs are allowed to contribute to this magazine.
Oh, cool.
So everyone's allowed to just kind of go with what they want. If they have an inspiration,
There's none of these.
Oh, that's why we went all the way to the bottom. Okay. Sorry, you can clearly tell I wasn't paying attention.
We just have a lot of fun, and that's what's so cool about us. We actually also have an educational arm, so a lot of what we have fun doing, we then can verify and back up with science and really make sure that what we're doing is both safe, but also we look at how it can affect the industry and how we can minimize waste or, you know, other things that are really beneficial.
And helping the environment.
Can we try one of these bad
Of course.
Is this the custard one?
Yes, that is the peanut butter
I'm
custard.
going to go for that one.
Okay, and then I'm going to try the next one. Is this the honey, lime, and melon?
Yes.
Chunks of heaven, man.
Okay. And then you would just stick these in the freezer?
My
Yeah.
goodness.
So once you've got them poured into your mold, you know, just freeze them, just a couple hours.
This is unlike any. I mean, I see what you mean, though, by
texture.
using this, the texture, the flavor,
Oh my
everything
gosh.
is just more enhanced.
And it's just super bright, and for summer, like, what's more refreshing?
We got to go to break, but stick around. Don't go anywhere.
We're
Chef
gonna
Del
chill
Got a lot of
out.
popsicles
and the
to eat.
creamiest popsicle I've ever had. Wow.
This is awesome.
Thanks, guys.